Today we're going to turn this nightmare into this, kind of. Since I built my office rig a few months ago, I decided to pimp all the PCs at the office to match the design and the color and just look nicer than they look right now. So here comes the first one. We've got i7 4770, it's non-key, so we don't need high-end CPU cooler, it's not going to be overclocked. We'll get rid of that one. The motherboard is from Gigabyte, the power supply is from Seasonic, it's even semi-modular. The graphics card is NVIDIA Quadro 2000 and some ugly looking memory and cheap SSD. Basically, I'll transfer all the parts except the case. I'll use some white sleeve cables, few LED fans, a new CPU cooler to match the color scheme and some heatsinks for the memory. I've also made a custom backplate for the graphics card. The total price value for the revamping is $50 for the case, $4 for the heatsinks, $5 for the CPU cooler, $8 for the case fans and $13 for the sleeve cables. Total value of $80 USD. Unfortunately, a few days ago one of the memory DIMMs just stopped working and it only has two, so now is the perfect time to troubleshoot. For backup, I've got a secondary motherboard, also from Gigabyte, if I can figure out what's wrong with this one. I've got some compressed air to blow the dust out. I've got also compressed alcohol. I'll use it to clean the graphics card and the motherboard, and hopefully the second DIMM will start working again. Alright, let's go out and dust what we can and then take all the parts and clean them separately. let's see if it starts. All right.
Yeah.
We're going to get rid of this Ubuntu and install Windows 10. So this is it. I've got a few other PCs to pimp in the upcoming weeks, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.